All right. Yeah. Damn nature you scary. I don't know if this is actually fail army because it's normally there. It might be viral monkey or something else. But anyway, damn nature you scary. Funny scary animal encounters. Let's go.
A grizzly bear charged towards a ranger in Yellowstone, Wyoming. The ranger managed to keep a safe distance though.
Oh, shut up.
They shot his paw. The music is ridiculous.
Several people ended up in a close encounter with a rhinoceros in Chitwan National Park in Nepal. They managed to avoid a direct confrontation by hiding behind trees.
Tank. Ace Ventura's inside.
A 4.8-meter female great white shark came close to a boat with people on it. This shark definitely scared the people with that bite of the boat.
Oh my god!
That's some real life tool shit. Wolves are just.
These people came in contact with a lion in Tanzania, but the lion was not happy with this encounter.
Look at that thing. Whoa.
A young grizzly bear approached a group of people out of curiosity. The group's guide handled the situation well by scaring off the grizzly bear with his voice
So I
and body
read that.
language.
Redemption.
Thankfully, the guide didn't have to resort to using his weapon.
Hi, sweet thing. Hi, sweet thing. Go on. Hey. Get on out of here.
Kill up. Oh.
No closer. Ah! You get!
Oh. Yeah, alright, mate.
Get! Ah! Go on. Ah! Get on out of here. Get!
These oarfish were spotted in Japan. According to Japanese folklore, these sea creatures come to the surface when a big earthquake is about to happen. Two tigers were spotted in Pench National Park in India at night. The wild animals calmly passed by the cars on the road and went into the woods.
tiger's gangster too.
A polar bear was spotted in Siberia, near what it seems to be a construction site. One of the witnesses tried going closer toward the bear and almost got attacked by it.
Polar bear, no joke either.
Кстати, а что делать будешь? Конечно. Уйди! Ты чё, отец?
A family of gorillas in Uganda found this man interesting and observed him very closely. They even touched the man's face and hair.
The silverback is just behind you. He's sat a meter behind you. And there are three babies squashed between him and you. It's that black shirt of yours. And the silverback. Now the little one's climbing up to get a closer look at your hair. He's on your back. Coming forward with they're the lips. Just watch your glasses. I don't think they're going to be that interested in them.
Mate.
A rhino bull tried to attack tourist vehicles to protect his cow and calf in Kruger National Park. This rhino must have had a previous encounter with poachers or some other human contact. An ordinary day in Australia, I guess.
Literally
A
the
herd
same
of
size, that
kangaroos
thing.
is sighted in a residential neighborhood.
Morning. Stay still.
These people tried to get the attention of a coyote in Yellowstone National Park. Surprisingly, a whistle seemed to work to get his attention.
Yeah, they are canine breed, don't they? Gotta be. Hello.
A curious orca approached a boat to get a closer look. It was friendly enough to let the woman pet it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button on your way out.
Why ever would you want to do that? Yeah, but yeah. They were good now. But yeah, that's the reaction. Sweet.